Hello, John Sichon, Rappler reporting for the Visayas. It's a show of force today, November 30, Bonifacio Day, araw ng peace prayer rally ng Sugboanon kontra Sugboanong pakigbisog kontra corruption or SUPAC. At makikita nyo sa likod ko yung members ng SUPAC, which is a coalition which involves the Cebu Anti-Corruption Coalition at ang Cebu Archdiocese. At makikita nyo naman sa likod ko, mga membro niyan, makikita nyo si Cebu Archbishop Abet Uy, who is leading the peace rally together with other public officials as well. Makikita nyo dyan, nandyan din si Cebu Governor Pamela Baricuatro, and of course, leaders of other non-government organizations as well. At ngayon, we are in Osmeña Boulevard. We're still in Colon Street here in Cebu City. We're on our way to the famous Osmeña Boulevard, on the way to Fuente Osmeña Circle. And the major calls ng Anti-Corruption Coalition ay ikulong na ang mga kurakot, making sure na lahat ng mga public officials involved with the corruption, involved with the anomalous flood control projects are going to be brought to justice. So makikita natin, no, many of the Cebuanos came here today wearing the color white as a symbol of their resistance against the corruption that's happening within the country. So ngayon, marami pang magaganap today. So this is just a part of the major program. This is still the march. They will still be conducting a major program later on in the Fuente Osmeña Circle. So stay tuned. We'll give you more updates on that. Once again, I'm John Sichon, Rappler, Cebu.